Now imagine you can earn as much as $100, $200, or even $700 as soon as today with just a few clicks off the button. One of the easiest and simplest methods to make money online by providing services as a freelancer with Fiverr. Today I will show you one of the easy services and gigs you can offer and start making money online, even if you have no skills and zero knowledge. Stay tuned and follow up with me. Before we start, welcome to Money Grow, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way, and make sure to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated. If you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, leave a comment down below. You can earn as much money as you want. You can either do this on your mobile phone or on your computer. This opportunity is 100% free and available worldwide. Make sure that you watch this video until the end. Here you can go to canva.com. Once you come over to the homepage of this website, I want you to go and click on Create a Design. For now, just click any template to open an empty design. I will show you how to remove a photo background using this Canva. Now upload a photo and click on Effects and then click Background Removal. Just wait for seconds and awesome, you can see the background was removed. Then you can simply download the image and save it as a high-quality PNG image. Now I will show you another example. Here we have another photo. Click on Effects and click on Background Removal, then just wait for a few seconds. The background was removed with just one click. You don't need any special skills to make this. Now you can resize the image and download it for free and provide this as a service on Fiverr or any website. This is one of the laziest ways to make money, and you can do this as a complete beginner. Now I want you to go to Fiverr and search for background removal. And here you can see other gigs related to background removal services with high order. This means you also can offer the same services and make money from them. So now let's sign up for a free seller account and start publishing your background removal gigs. So you could be making money by simply helping other people to remove photo background. Here how to sign up and start publishing your service on Fiverr. Now click on Join on top of the browser and click Become Seller. Then fill in your full name and profile photo. Share a bit about your work experience, cool project you have completed, and your area of expertise. Add your language, occupation and skills, education, certificate or award, or your website if you have. Lastly, verified your email and telephone number. That's all. Now you can start publishing your background removal service to make more money. See you next video.